Hello and welcome, it's Annelie van Rensburg. Somebody asked me on my channel to paint a wolf. I can't remember who it is, so if it's maybe you, just reply for me in the comment section that I can know that I honored your request. I'm going to use a number of brushes. I'm not sure which ones yet. Small, round, maybe this fan brush, my trusted bamboo skewer. I'm going to work in oils, but I'm first going to do a wash in acrylic. Remember, you can put oil on top of acrylic, but you can't put acrylic on top of oil. So please, if you mix the two, first acrylic and then oil. I'm going to use titanium white, buff titanium, or maybe Naples yellow. I'm not sure about these two colors yet, which one I'm going to use. Paynes gray, a blue gray, a burnt umber, a burnt sienna. I'm first going to, I already sketched, so I'm just going to ink it quickly with acrylic ink. Then I'm going to put the acrylic wash over, and then I'm going to start painting with the oils. So I hope you enjoy.